Hey guys, welcome back to VK. So MWC has started. MWC is the world's largest exhibition for the mobile industry, featuring the prominent executives representing global mobile operators, device manufacturers, technology providers, mobile phone vendors, and content owners. And this is our first video of the MWC 2019 coverage. And today we'll be talking with you guys about the trend of the smartphone industry for this year, that is the foldable smartphones. And in specific, we'll be talking about the latest Huawei Mate X. Let's get started. So we all are excited about the foldable smartphones, and Huawei did just opposite of what Samsung did with the Samsung Galaxy Fold last week. On the Samsung Galaxy Fold, we had seen a smaller screen on the folded surface, and the Samsung Galaxy Fold opens just like a book. While on the other hand, Huawei has an edge-to-edge screen both on the folded and the unfolded surface. This implementation is quite impressive. Well, none of the media and journalists were allowed to touch this device and take a first look or a hands-on of this device because obviously it is not yet cooked properly. The device is still in pre-production phase, and we'll have to wait and see how the device feels in the hand when it is released to the market. Well, as a tech enthusiast, I loved what Huawei has done with the foldable smartphone implementation because there is an edge-to-edge display on both the folded surface and an unfolded surface as well. But there are quite a number of problems that I got to see on the first look. Well, I'm saying first look because nobody got a chance to touch and feel the smartphone. Well, the problems are, the first problem that I saw from this Huawei Mate X is the plasticky screen that looks terrible. The second thing is the hinge that helps the device to transform from a phone to a tablet also looks kind of delicate. Well, we'll have to wait and see till the smartphone gets released to the market. Now we'll talk about what the smartphone is offering to the market. It is priced at $2,299. Yes, that's a lot of money because it is called the premium luxury smartphone. And with that price of the smartphone, obviously it has top of the line specs. It has the Kirin 980 SoC, it has an 8GB of RAM, 512GB of onboard storage. It has the same triple camera setup that we had seen on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And one thing that I loved about this camera implementation is when you're taking a photo of a person as a subject, there is a screen that appears on the folded surface while you're taking the photograph. This helps the person whose photo you're taking to guide you or suggest you to take the photo in the best possible way. This implementation looked quite cool for me. One thing that differentiates every foldable smartphone is the hinge, the mechanism of folding your phone in the most elegant and hassle-free way to give you both the smartphone and a tablet experience without breaking a sweat. While the Samsung Galaxy Fold folded inwards, the Huawei Mate X folds outwards, where the screen is exposed to the outside. So when you have a foldable smartphone with the screen folded outwards, there are a lot of questions that arises, like the scratches on the outer surface of the screen, durability of the hinge, how the apps react when you fold and unfold the screen many number of times, and a lot of questions about the use cases of this foldable smartphones. The first foldable smartphone that we saw was the Royal Flex 5. Then we got to see the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which looked like a more refined product. And now with the Huawei Mate X, this foldable smartphone technology looks more refined. So we'll have to wait and see how the smartphone companies will be implementing the foldable smartphone over the course of 2019. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you guys have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, as we'll be bringing a lot of videos from the Mobile World Congress or MWC, and we'll be giving you latest updates in the field of technology. So thank you for watching, guys.